Hi, and welcome to 2126 North Park here in Springfield, Missouri. This home is going through a complete remodel. We have moved walls and changed everything up. It is looking great. We still need to finish up the front porch here and put a roof on that, but let's go ahead and come on in, see what it looks like. Here you can see we've got a great open floor plan here. It's got luxury vinyl plank throughout. It's got raised ceilings with ceiling fans. Here we'll let you take a look at the first bedroom. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's got new windows, new ceiling fans. Everything is new and looks great. Here you can see that this bathroom is accessible from the bedroom. Very convenient. And of course, this is also the main bath that is accessible from the kitchen and living area. Here we'll take a look at the kitchen. It's got brand new appliances, dishwasher, stove, microwave, refrigerator. Here is a kitchen island. It's even going to have some seating so you can use it for your dining area as well. Here is the second back bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. And this one also has a bath all to itself. Full bath right here. We'll go ahead and go on out. And as you can see here, we're going to have the washer dryer hookups right here. And then you can go ahead and go on out to the back. We've got a deck here and a fenced backyard. It's a nice fenced backyard. So come on out and take this new home. It's not new, but it sure does look like it. Everything's been completely remodeled. We look forward to seeing you.